Hi, it's Justin Costello with MarineMax Pompano Beach. Going to give you a walkthrough tour of a fresh trade-in. It's a 2016 Boston Whaler 170 Montauk. It's powered with a 90 horse Mercury 4-stroke motor on the back. Let's start on the transom. Port side entry with the swim platform ladder angled away from the motor, so safely boarding in and out of the boat. Looking inside, you'll notice it's optioned with the full transom bench seat, so you can get 3 adults very comfortably back here. Looking forward, we do have a reversible pilot seat at the helm. Boat is rated for 7 passengers. Simple, easy layout. The tachometer, battery voltage, and oil pressure at the helm. Stainless steel steering wheel. Plenty of room up there if you wanted to mount a GPS. Coming forward into the console, we do have a battery on-off switch and a battery bank there for a second battery if you choose to put one in. Going forward with the fishing package, gives you the backrest behind the cooler with the rod storage, carry away cooler with the seat top, and then I love that we also got the bow cushion on this boat, which makes a very nice comfortable place to sit. Also has a black Bimini top for those hot Florida summers to get the sun off you. Again, this is a really great, clean 2016 Boston Whaler 170 Montauk, available at MarineMax Pompano Beach. Give me a call. It's Justin Costello, 954-633-2070.